Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel The Knowledge Hub. Today in this video we are going to learn the structure of a leaf, how the structure has been made by our God. Let's begin with this video. So there are mainly three learning points. The first one is label the parts of a leaf. Second, describe how leaves are adapted to their function. And the third is explain the role of the stomata in gas exchange. As you all know that leaves are the main source of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the world. So let us go step by step into the video. So the first question is, why do plants have leaves? If you know, then please comment down below. Okay. Leaves produce food for the plant by a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis produces glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water using light energy. As we all know that the leaves are the main source of photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food material through photosynthesis. How are leaves adapted? Leaves have a large surface area to maximize light absorption. Leaves are thin, so there is a short distance for carbon dioxide to diffuse into leaf cells. Some cells in the plant leaves contains chloroplast to facilitate photosynthesis. Leaves contain tiny holes called stomata to help with gas exchange. So the stomata are the main organs in the leaves which exchanges the gas into the air and into the leaves. Now let us see how are leaves structured. Waxy cuticle. The waxy cuticle protects the leaf from infections and prevent water loss without blocking out sunlight. So there is a layer which is called a waxy cuticle. It protects from the water loss and blocking the sunlight. Upper epidermis. The upper epidermis is a layer of cells below the waxy cuticle. It protects the leaf. It is transparent, which enables light to pass through the chloroplast in the cells below. So the next layer is epidermis. So this layer protects the cuticle and also the leaf, and it also exchanges the gas. Why? Because it is a transparent. Palisade mesophyll. Palisade cells are packed closely together and full of chloroplast, which contain chlorophyll, the site of photosynthesis. So this is the layer where the chlorophylls are present, which are main organs for photosynthesis. So palisade mesophyll in the next layer to the upper epidermis. The next is spongy mesophyll. The spongy mesophyll are packed loosely with air gaps in between them for efficient gas exchange. They are covered by a thin layer of water, so gases can dissolve in the water to move into and out of the cells. So after the layer of chlorophyll, next it comes to the spongy mesophyll. This is the layer where the cells are loosely packed and the exchange of gases can take place. Now the next is lower epidermis. The lower epidermis is on the underside of the leaf. It contains tiny pores called stomata. So this is the layer where the stomata is present. So stomata is mainly involved in the gaseous exchange in the leaf, in the plant. Okay, so the oxygen and carbon dioxide are mainly exchanged from stomata. And the next is guard cells and stomata. Tiny holes called stomata can be found within the lower epidermis. They are surrounded by kidney-shaped cells called guard cells, which open and close the holes. So the stomata is mainly protected by the kidney-shaped cells called guard cells. So it protects the stomata holes and it helps to close and open the holes. And the next is gas exchange. Carbon dioxide moves from the air into the leaf through the stomata. At the same time, oxygen moves out of the leaf through the stomata. Water vapor also diffuses out of the stomata. As I earlier said that the stomata is mainly used to exchange of gases of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the plants and also in the air. Now you can see the stomata structure in this picture. This is the leaf structure. Now let's summarize. Okay, I'll ask you 5 questions, answer them in the comment section. So the first question is, name the process which converts sunlight into energy. As we all know that it is nothing but photosynthesis. Name two gases involved in gas exchange. I know that you all know what are those two gases. Those are carbon dioxide and oxygen. Next, the third question is, state three things plants need to survive. Comment down below the third answer. Coming to the fourth question, state four ways leaves are adapted to their role. And the fifth question is, name five parts of a leaf. As you all know that the parts, the structures, everything I have explained you in this video. So see that correctly and answer these questions into the comments. Thank you so much for listening to this video. If you like my content, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.